Hi friends, this is Madhumita Bhattacharjee and all you are welcome to my Astro Zodiac channel. Friends, end of June 2021, July is coming on his own way and I shall be talking about the monthly prediction of July to the Rashifal. How could you get the results on 2021 July as the transit position of planets? At first, I would like to give thanks those who had subscribed my channel and watching my videos during these busy times. So friends, now I'm coming to the topic, and as the Mesh is the first Rashi of this zodiac, so I would like to start with Aries or Mesh. Aries or Mesh is the place of Mars. Mars, who is deviated in Cancer till 20th July of 2021. So the Lord of this house is deviated, so the relationship with others, relationship with mother will be not good. Tendency to quarrel with people, taking anyone words in wrong sense in small matters, that is taking out its wrong meaning. Loss of prestige and position in their status. Due to their anger, the position will be ups and down. This position will going out till 20th July of 2021. A harmful situation will be on their attitude, on their position till July 2021. After July 2021, the situation will be rapidly change because their ascendant Lord is going to sit on their 5th house. 5th house is a gain house. Right time comes back and they will trying to solve their problems. Their education place, their career place will be very good after 2021 20th July. Their career will be good enough as the position of Saturn. Saturn is their 11th Lord who is sitting on Makar Rashi on their 10th house. So working position will be rapidly changed. Maybe it will be some delay, but it will give them a good result. Students who are in medical or who are doing in PhD or who are doing in post-graduation course, a supporting time is coming to them. Friends, now I am coming to Taurus or Vrisha. Who are in Vrisha or Taurus, they will going to face a good situation. As the position of Venus is the Lord of this house, Venus is the Lord of Taurus or Rishabh or Vrisha. So Venus is sitting on their 3rd house and acquainted with Mars. So who are in sports, their career will be increased, but little problem will be arised for those who are in relationship or who are in technical world. After in July of 2021, their position will be right back and they will have a good position. People who are related with in speech or singing or recitation or anchoring, their position is coming also good for July. as the position of Sun and Mercury. Sun and Mercury is sitting on their second house. So their position will be good for July 2021. Some physical problem may be arised, some diabetic problem. Who are in diabetic, please be careful who are diabetic or any blood related disease. Some urinal or gynecological problem may be arised. The problem will be a little bit problem. There is not necessary to worry about a lot. Friends, now I am coming to Mithuna, a Gemini. The Lord of Mithuna and Gemini is sitting on his own house on July 2021 with Sun. It's a Buddhaditya Yoga. Who are going to give their competitive exam, their situation is coming to very good. And the native of Mithuna or Gemini, their situation will be very good, as the position of not only on Sun and Mercury conjunction, as the position of Jupiter also, because Jupiter is on their 9th house and giving aspects, their Jupiter's 5th aspects on their Rashi and Lagna. So people who are in government related job or government related business, their position is also coming to good on July 2021. Now friends, I am coming to Cancer or Karkata. Mars is sitting elevated position on Karkata or Cancer till 20th July 2021. So they will have a little bit problem. They may face a problem with their ancestral property. They may face a little bit problem with their boss or management. They may face the problem with their father, and the matrimonial happiness will be minimized a little bit position. Now I am coming to Leo. Friends who are in Leo, by their Rashi or their Lagna or Ascendant Lord. The Leo's Ascendant Lord is Sun, and Sun is sitting on their 11th house, on their gain house with Mercury, who is sitting on its own place. So they will have a lots of good chances who are abroad related. They will also have a good position or good situation in their life. Have a chance for getting married who are unmarried till now, and they will gain by their partner, maybe their wives or maybe their husbands, maybe their partner who are in their business. Some physical problems may be arise who are in Leo or Singha. People who are preparing for their competitive exam, a brightened position is coming to them as a situation of Sun and Mercury. But a little bit physical problem may be arise. Who are in diabetic, please be careful. Who are suffering by their hormones problems, they should be very careful for July 2021. You may suffer for higher expenditure for this July 2021. Friends, now I am coming to Virgo or Kanna Rashi. Who are in Virgo or Kanna Rashi, the Rashi's Lord is Mercury. Mercury is sitting on their 10th position. Native of Kanna or Virgo is going to get a better chance by their working position, as the position of the 10th house. 10th house indicates the working place. So the Lord of Virgo or Kanna is Mercury. Mercury is sitting on their 10th house with Sun. It's called yoga, Buddhaditya Yoga. So their working place is coming to very good. Students who are studying, their position is coming to also very good, but the results of working position or results of study will not come to them as they expect, by their expectation. So as the position of Mars and as the position of Venus, Venus and Mars is situated on their 12th house. After moving Mars will move from Cancer to Leo. Little bit change will come to them, but after coming to Virgo of Mars, their position will be very good by their. The results will also come to them by their expectation. The relationship with their elders will be not good. People who are in technical world, their career and position will be very good after coming the Sun from Cancer to Leo. Friends, now I am coming to Tula and Libra. Those who are in Tula or Libra, the Lord of Tula or Libra is Venus. Then there will be little bit problem in their career till 20th July of 2021. After 20th July, the problem will be solved and they will going to face some joyous position in their lives. People who are in electrical business, who are in Tula or Libra, their position will be also good in July 2021. Now I am coming to Scorpio or Vrishchik. Who are in Scorpio or Vrishchik, the Lord of Scorpio or Vrishchik is Mars. Mars is delegated in Cancer on their 9th house. From 9th house we can calculate their luck position, their position of opportunities. So they can't receive the good opportunities during in this Mars and Venus conjunction in Karkata. After 20th July of 2021, they will receive good opportunities in their lives, but they should be careful for their anger, for their aggressive attitude, because the Mars represents the angriness. Mars represents the hot word exchange. So you should, who are in Scorpio, you should be careful with your words, you should be careful with your anger, you should be careful with your aggressive attitude. Friends, now I am coming to Sagittarius or Dhanu. Who are in Sagittarius and Dhanu, their relationship with their elders, their relationship with their grandparents is coming to very good in July 2021, but they will have some little bit problem in their married life as the position of Venus and Mars conjunction. They will have a good chance for their career. People who are in Dhanush and or Sagittarius, official change is coming to their lives, but in this July your problems with your boss or management will be increased. So try to keep quiet, so try to control your anger, and you should be careful with your health. Who are in diabetic position, who are having any hormonal problems, who are having any blood connected disease, who are having some urinal disease. Friends, now I am coming to Makar or Capricorn. Who are in Capricorn and Makar, their position is also good as the position of Saturn. Saturn is Lord of Capricorn or Makar. Saturn is sitting in its own house, but it is in retrograde position. Your working result may become in delay. You may fail to keep your patients in control. But a good position is coming to you. People who are in engineering ground, people who are in administrative level, their position is coming very good during in this July 2021. People who are in partnership business, their position is coming to good after 20th July of 2021. They will get a chance to be married who are unmarried till now, and some little bit oral problem may disturb you, but it is not necessary to think about more of it. Friends, now I am coming to Aquarius or Kumbh. Who are in Aquarius or Kumbh, some little problem maybe come to your life as the position of Saturn, because Saturn is your Rashi's Lord. Now Saturn is sitting on Makar, means your 12th house. So you may have some problems, you may have some depression in your lives, but at the position of Jupiter, Jupiter is sitting on your Rashi who are in Aquarius or Kumbh. Some good results is waiting for you. Jupiter will manage to control your crisis, to control your depression. People who are in media, people who are in sports, their career is coming to good in July 2021. Now I am coming to Pisces or me. Jupiter is the Lord of Pisces or me. Now Jupiter is sitting on Aquarius, on Kumbh. So little bit problem may be arised in your lives. Some stomach problem may be arised, but people who are related in finance related work, their career is coming to very good, and Rahu is sitting on their 3rd house now. So the native of Pisces or Meen will earn a lot of money also. So friends, here is short discussion of the results of 12 Rashi during in this July 2021. Because the long discussion will be not possible during in this short time, and people who are interested in astrology, people who are liking my videos, people who have some problems in their lives, if you want to solve your problems, you may come to me. I am available in Bowbazar, Barasat, Shodhpur and Bangalore. Who are not capable to come physically to me, you can connect me through online also. So friends, now I am going, and I will come to you with a new topic in next days.